Hey everyone, welcome back. In this hands-on video, I'll show you how to enable and use vehicle motion cues on your iPhone or iPad. When the vehicle motion cues is activated on your device, it makes dots appear near the edges of your iPhone or iPad screen as soon as the vehicle motion is detected. The dots intelligently follow the movement of the vehicle and may help you reduce motion sickness. That's it, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the Accessibility option. After that, select the Motion option. And then you have to turn on the toggle right next to Show Vehicle Motion Cues. From now onwards, whenever your iPhone detects vehicle motion, it will show dots near the edges of the screen in order to help you take control of motion sickness. Interestingly, you can add the vehicle motion cues icon to the control center for quick access and launching experience. To do so, just swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up the control center. And then you have to tap on the plus button located at the top left corner of the screen. And then you have to tap on the Add Control button at the bottom. After that, head over to the Region Accessibility section and then choose Vehicle Motion Cues icon and you are good to go. Going forward, you'll be able to enable or disable vehicle motion cues right from the control center on your iPhone. Just like this. Pretty handy, isn't it? If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll catch you up in the next one with more such handy iPhone and iPad tips and tricks. Take care. Bye-bye.